This program shows the formatting capabilities of printf library function. I have stored my name Raju Dharaskar in the character array, namely name. The string Raju Dharaskar contains 15 characters. Okay. Now let us see the first job. Here I have specified 4s and the string contains 15 characters. Now if the field width is less than the length of the string, then entire string is displayed. So here field width is 4 and the string contains 15 characters. So in that case entire string will be displayed. Let us execute this printf statement by pressing F7 key and see the result at DOS prompt. Entire string Raju Dharaskar is displayed. Clear? Well, now again I have selected field width as 12. I have written %12s. I'll execute this function and see the result. Again entire string Raju Dharaskar is displayed. Clear? Now see the next job. Here if the field width is greater than the length of the string, then entire string is displayed, but it is right justified. So here field width is 20 and string content length of the string is 15. Now execute the function printf and see the result at DOS prompt. Raju Dharaskar is displayed, but it is right justified. So from this place to this one there are 20 spaces. So field width is 20 and string contains 15 characters, and that is why the string is displayed towards right, and that is why I said it is right justified. Is it clear? Well, now execute third job. That is, here I'll use hyphen sign, minus sign. Okay, so use minus sign in the specification for displaying the string as left justified. Now again I have selected width is equal to 20, the length of the string is 15, and now execute it with minus sign. So I have written %-20s as a specifier. Execute this one and see the output. Raju Dharaskar is displayed, but now it is left justified because of the use of minus sign. Now here in next case the field width is 2, which is less than 15. 15 is the length of your string. Now in that case again let us see the output. Raju Dharaskar is displayed, again it is left justified, and though field width is 2, entire string is displayed. Clear? Well, now next job, next rule, let us see. Here the integer value on right hand side of the decimal point, this value 10.4. so I am discussing this value 4. Okay, the digit at this place. The integer value on right hand side of the decimal point specifies the number of characters to be printed. Okay, so here the specifier is %10 decimal point 4s. Now in this case I want to display 4 characters and field width is 10. Let us see what happens if you execute this statement. See the DOS prompt. Only Raji is displayed, and that too right justified. So remember that 10.4 means from this point to here there are 10 spaces. So width is 10 and 10.4 means only 4 characters are displayed, and it is right justified. Clear? Understood? Well, now second case I have written 0.5. No, before that I have written 30.5. So now width is 30 and will display only 5 characters from the string. So see the output. So this is the width is 30 and I have displayed only 5 characters. Now see the next case, 0.5s. Here width is 0 and we want to display 5 characters. So here compiler will neglect this width specifier and it will display the entire string, but not entire string, 5 characters. You see, there are only 5 characters appear on the output, I mean on your screen. So Raju is displayed. We are given width is equal to 0, but your compiler has neglected this width specifier. Clear? Now here I have written minus 0.7. So I want to display 7 characters, left justified, and width is 0. So width 0, compiler will neglect it because the string size is 15 and I want to display only 7. So minus 0.7 means left justified, width is 0 and 7 characters are displayed. 5 characters of the word Raju, then 1 blank space. So this is 6 character and the 7 character is capital D. Is it clear? Now see the last one. Here I have written 10.0s. So width is 10. But since I have written 0 over here after decimal point, we will get a very interesting result. See the output. So printf function has not displayed anything. Why it is so? Because I have written in the specifier 10.0. So width is 10 and 0 means number of characters to be displayed, and I have displayed 0 characters means no character. Is it clear? Understood the concept? Thank you.